Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to swap two numbers without using a third variable. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, in order to write the program we can use VS Code, but before directly moving on to the VS Code, first of all let's understand the logic that we are going to apply in this program. So as we can see that we are considering an example, let's have two variables a and b, and in a let's have 10 and in b let's have 20. Now our main goal is to swap the numbers, that is in a 20 should be there and in b 10 should be there. So the mathematical logic that we are going to apply in this program is this one. So within this three steps we will be able to swap the two numbers. Let's see how. So see, in step 1 we can see that it's telling to put the value of a plus b into a. So over here in this situation, what would be the value in a? So the value in a would be 30, right? So let's put it. Now in b you can see that it's telling to put the value of a minus b. So over here we can see that we want to replace the value of 20 with what? With 30 minus 20, that is in b 10 would be there. And finally in the last step you can see that it's telling to put the value of a minus b again into a. So over here a minus b is what? 20. So in a 20 would be there. So by the moment when we are completing this three step, we will be able to see that the swapping has been done. So this is the overall mathematical logic that we are going to use. So now let's quickly move to VS Code in order to see its programming part. So first of all, let's create a new file by clicking onto this icon and let the file name be simply code.py. Now the very first thing that we have to do is we have to take input from the user, and we want two numbers as input. So what we will do, let's have the variable name as a simply. So we will ask the user to enter the number, and we can do that with the help of input function. So we will simply write input and then the comment, that is enter first number. Right now we are aware that this function is going to return us as in string in Python. So we will cast it to the desired data type, and over here we are expecting it to be an integer, so we will cast it to int type. So let's cast it. Yep. And the similar way we will take input for another variable and let the variable name be simply b, and let's also change the comment. So yeah, so by this time we have got those two numbers. So let's print it simply to get a better view of the print. So we'll simply write number before swapping. It's a comma b, right? So the logic that we are going to apply was the logic that I have shown earlier. So we will do that only, that is a is equals to a plus b, we will say. That is we are trying to put the value of a plus b into a. Then what we are doing, then we will put the value of a minus b into b, right? And finally again what we will do is we will put the value of a minus b into a. So by the time our program execution will come up to line number 6, so we would have got the number swapped. So let's print it and see it working. So yeah, so we will write simply number after swapping and let's run it. And the way how we will run a Python program is we are aware that we will simply write Python and the file name .py. So over here my file name is code, so we'll simply write code.py. Now see, it's asking me to enter the first number, so let it be 12, and it's asking me to enter the second number, let it be 200. And see here, you can see that the numbers before swapping is 12 and 20, 200, and the numbers after swapping is 212. So this is the overall program of how to swap two numbers without the help of third variable in Python. I hope you understood the things very clearly, but still if you have any doubt, then feel free to drop it down in the comment section. We will surely try to solve it as soon as possible. So this was all about the video. Thank you.